Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.